everyone. Okay, so I got a package that I don't know what it's for. It's from HSN. Oh, it's Anna Griffin 3D Finishing School craft box, and it was $59.48, and it was a auto ship. So did you see the new rules that HSN is doing with the whole you have to pay for shipping, I think it is, for shipping back, or half of it or something, which is all, you know, it's all reasonable. It really is. It makes you just, for me, it makes me very aware of what I'm buying. And then, because I've only sent back 2 things that I've hauled from HSN with Anna Griffin, and I'm thankful that I didn't have to, that I got my full refund, you know what I mean? So I'm like, you know, luckily it was, so now I'm just mindful. But these are the auto ships, and you cannot, if you, I believe, if you cancel your, one of these, is like you send it back, I think it cancels your whole auto ship, and I wouldn't want to do that. Plus these things resell really well, so you don't have to worry about that. You just go onto the Anna Griffin Facebook page and sell your stuff there, and you can get full price or even a little bit more if you want, if you do that sort of thing. So this is, oh, these are beautiful. Okay, do you want to see it together? Let's see it together, because I know she brings these out. Look at how pretty these are. They're in like little jar. Okay, let me show you. They're in jars, okay? But if you flip it, they're actually pop dotted. The flowers are pop dot. So they're dimensional. And then look at, she has a few of them in the jar, in the jars, but, or vase, or vase, whatever. So these are really pretty, you guys. Very nice. I was trying to get an idea of how many you get, but there is a lot. So we won't worry about it. Oh, look, there's a little bush. Wonder what these are for. Are these like little tags, you guys know? I didn't look at any videos. I haven't looked at anything, so I'm not sure. I'm just not sure. And then this is sentiments, time to celebrate, and let me scoot you in. There we go. That way you can see a little bit more. For someone special, happy birthday. Thanks a bunch, happy birthday. And then best wishes. Thanks. Yeah, those look like those. Very nice. Scoot those up. And so I won't open this. So here's more of the flowers. Very nice. And then you have the little tags. And you have more of the, oh, like, what are these? Topiaries? 5x7 envelopes. And then you have the papers. These are, oh, they're double-sided. And you get 1, 2, 3, 4. You get 4 of them. I like them. Oh, pretty green. Really pretty green. Oh, very nice. Love that pink. Oh, very nice blue. Yep, nice blue. Cool. I like it. Very nice paper. Then you get her traditional gold paper. You get a lot of them. And then you get the die. And the die, whoops, sorry guys, is, okay, so let's see what they do with this. I don't even know what this one's all about. I got it last month, I think it was, but we've had a lot of stuff going on, so I didn't get to see it till now. Flower Shop Easel Dies. Oh, so it's an easel die. It's a little flower shop. Oh, how cute. Okay, and then what do we have in the middle? Everything I can show you. So, those are the samples. Very nice. Oh, so that's what you get here too. That's what that is. There's the shade. Very nice. I like. And then here's the little accents. Super cool. All right, very nice. Worth 60 bucks, I believe. So I love it. So all right, guys, that was it for, and this was the Flower Shop Easel cards. It is the finishing school, so there is, yeah. All right, guys, take care. Bye.